Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to tell you about data visualization, that is plotting various kinds of charts using pandas data frames. We use plot method of data frame to plot various kinds of charts using kind parameter. There is a parameter in this method, plot method, known as kind. In kind we can write bar, we can write pi, we can write line and all to draw various kinds of charts using the plot method of pandas data frame. In previous sections, while drawing various kinds of chart in my data visualization series of video, you might have seen I have used matplotlib.pyplot its various methods, that is plot method, bar method, h bar method, scatter method, pi method and all. That was these were the methods of matplotlib libraries pyplot module. So that is why we were import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Although we'll be using importing same matplotlib.pyplot here also, just for showing the plot, plt.show method के लिए हम लोग उसे use करेंगे. Otherwise the drawing of line chart, bar chart and every kind of chart will be done using the pandas data frame plot method only. And in this plot method there is a very special kind of parameter argument, that is you can say kind. In kind we write bar, then bar plot is plotted. In kind if we write line, line chart is plotted. In kind parameter if we give the value as histogram, uh, it will draw histogram. So there are various values to be given in the kind parameter, so that we can draw various kinds of charts here using data frames plot method. So let us begin with and here in this video we'll be drawing today line chart only, single line chart in one figure and then multi line chart in another figure. Single line chart we are going to show the result of particular school year wise, and we can draw multi-line chart here by for comparing marks of two subjects of few students. So let us begin with. Now, what are the steps for plotting the chart using data frames? Plotting various kinds of chart can be done using plot function of data frames object under number of steps. Number one step is collect the data. सबसे पहले आप data collect कीजिए. To start, we need to collect the data for line chart. Here I compiled the following data, which captures the year-wise result of class 12th of a school. This is the table or series, you can say, year-wise. Year 2011 result was 78.5% for a school, 2012 80%, and so on. 2020 95.5%. So this is the data for which we have to draw single line chart. Now, second step, create the data frame. Creation of data frame can be done for the above data. Import pandas as PD either you can write, or from pandas import data frame you can write. So both the commands will work. Now we will create a dictionary. Here data is equal to curly bracket year. This is the key, and these are the list of years from 2011 to 2020. Then another key is result, and various percentage of results corresponding to these years. Then df is equal to, as you know, pd dot data frame. You might be knowing how to create the data frame using dictionary. The same case here, the same thing is being done. pd dot data frame data, that means this dictionary is passed. Name of the columns we are writing year and result. You can change these name of columns here also if you want, in place of year and result. If we don't specify columns here, then also it will take year and result only. If you want to change the name of columns, you can specify here. Then print df. After printing df, you will get the data frame printed. Now, before going further, this is the step 3, plot the data frame using pandas. Now plot the data frame by adding the following syntax. df.plot आप यूज करेंगे, x एक्सिस पर आपने ईयर मेंशन कर दिया आउट ऑफ द डेटा फ्रेम, x इक्वल टू ईयर, y इक्वल टू रिजल्ट एंड काइंड इज इक्वल टू लाइन. दैट्स इट. ये लिखते ही आपका लाइन चार्ट ड्रॉ हो जाएगा. ये डेटा फ्रेम का प्लॉट मेथड. इसको हम किसी वेरिएबल में भी स्टोर कर सकते हैं. वी कैन स्टोर सम इन सम वेरिएबल आल्सो. से ax इज इक्वल टू df.plot x is equal to year, comma y is equal to result, comma kind equal to line. So the complete definition can be obtained in some variable also. Now the real coding we can do, all these coding that we have done here, same code, and this line can be written over here. Import pandas as pd, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, data, this is the dictionary defined, and thereafter df data frame is created, pd.data frame, data columns has been specified. This is optional. If you don't want to specify columns, you can leave. Print df, data frame will be printed first, then we are going to draw a line chart. df.plot x is equal to year out of this dictionary, y is equal to result, kind is equal to line. There is a title parameter, you can keep this also to change the title of the plot. Title is equal to result analysis. Then plt.show, this is the plt alias of this matplotlib.pyplot का alias है plt.show. आप इस pyplot मॉड्यूल का show मेथड कॉल करेंगे, यहाँ भी जैसे आप पहले कॉल करते थे. तो इस तरह से आपका जो है चार्ट प्लॉट हो जाएगा. दिस इज द आउटपुट. So your data frame is created like this, having index number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Two series, I mean you can say two columns are made in the data frame, that is year and result. Year has been shown on the x-axis and result has been shown on the y-axis. So this is the line chart plotted. Okay, you might have understood. You can see here year, result, kind, ये तीन चार पैरामीटर हैं. एक्स एक्सिस पर आप क्या शो करना चाहते हैं, वाई एक्सिस पर क्या शो करना चाहते हैं, देन काइंड किस तरह का चार्ट बनाना है, काइंड में आ जाएगा, और क्या टाइटल देना है. सो सिंपल पैरामीटर, सिंपल आर्ग्यूमेंट के साथ ही आपको प्लॉट करना है चार्ट. दिस इज ओनली इन क्लास 12th इंफॉर्मेटिक्स प्रैक्टिसेस. नाउ if you want to see it practically, I can show you, I can show you show this thing practically to you. This is single line chart. The program has already been written here, so I can run it. As soon as I run it, you will get this is the line chart and this is the data frame. Okay, you might have followed it. Now if I make a little change, here you can see df.plot. This is the method of data frame. The same method can be written like this also, and here kind parameter can be removed. यहाँ से आप kind हटा दीजिए, और ये दूसरी लाइन जो मैं लिख रहा हूँ यहाँ पर df.plot.line, x equal to year, same, y equal to result, similar, title is equal to this thing. Grid भी मैंने यहाँ पर लगा दिया है, grid is equal to true. So grid lines will also appear. If I remove this hash comment and we make this line as comment and we execute it, let us see what happens. You can see the same chart is being drawn using this also. So that means this is the alternate, you can say. ये आप alternate इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. In place of df.plot, here you can write df.plot.line. Only the kind parameter, kind argument has to be removed from here. Fine. So this is another way how you can draw line chart. So moving to next, let us close it. and here you can you have already seen this. This is the chart. Now we can plot multi-line chart also. It is similar, nothing special in this. Import pandas as PD, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, data, year, Amit, here it should not be year, it should be name. In place of year, it should be name, because on x-axis you are showing the name of students. So I can show you first in the program, actual program. Then here again I have to change, in place of year I will write name, and in place of year here also I will write name. Then save it. So here dictionary has been made. Name Amit, Sumit, Anu, Raj, Simran. Maths के marks इसके दे दिए गए. IP के marks have been given in the dictionary, and thereafter data frame is created from the dictionary like this. Okay. कॉलम्स आपको स्पेसिफाई करना है तो यहाँ पर आप कॉलम स्पेसिफाई कर सकते हैं जैसे आप पहले कर रहे थे. If you want to change the name of the columns, then only I will show you it later. Print data frame. After that I have taken a variable ax is equal to df dot plot, x is equal to name, y is equal to, यहाँ पर आपको y में एक सीरीज दे रहे थे आप, either you were giving maths or you were giving IP. Here you will be giving list of columns, list of columns from data frame. Y is equal to maths comma IP, because two series are to be plotted on y axis. Kind is equal to line, then title is equal to this, grade is equal to true, rotation equal to 20. Whatever you are representing on x-axis, it should be rotated at 20 degree. Now ax dot set y label. X label will automatically come here. On y label you can change the label of y axis using this variable dot set y label, set underscore y label method marks, क्योंकि y एक्सिस पर आप मार्क्स शो कर रहे हैं. या आप इसको plt डॉट वाई लेवल मार्क्स भी कर सकते हैं यूजिंग द मेथड ऑफ plt, matplotlib डॉट pyplot का मेथड. y लेवल x लेवल आपने पहले पढ़ा था. या इसको ax का ax डॉट सेट मेथड भी है यहाँ पर, y लेवल इक्वल टू मार्क्स कॉमा x लेवल इज इक्वल टू समथिंग यू कैन राइट. सो आप लेवल तीन तरीके से यहाँ पर चेंज कर सकते हैं. These are the three methods for changing the labels of x-axis and y-axis. So let us execute it and see the result. So this is your data frame. Name one column, maths another column, IP another column, index number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 students have been shown. On x-axis this is Amit, Sumit, Anu, Raj, tilde at 20 degrees, rotation 20 degrees. Here x-axis is automatically coming, that is name, and y-axis I have changed, y-axis label I have changed, and this is the result analysis title that we have changed, and the legend automatically comes here. Math and IP is being shown, legend. So this is how we can draw multi-line chart using plot method of data frame. Let us do some variation here. इसमें हम कुछ वेरिएशन कर सकते हैं. इसमें अगर मैं ये वेरिएशन करता हूँ आपका, इसको मैं कमेंट बना देता हूँ. Let it be comment, and I have written here plt dot y label, plt dot y label. Then it is running or not? Yes, it is running as it is. Plt dot y label marks. Okay. Thereafter, let us make it comment. We can have this one. Control S, ax dot set method. Set में आप x लेवल भी डाल सकते हैं, कॉमा x अंडरस्कोर x label, LABEL, इज इक्वल टू एक्स पर आप नेम ऑफ स्टूडेंट शो कर रहे हैं, सो आई कैन राइट, वहाँ पर तो कॉलम नेम है, यहाँ पर मैं थोड़ा चेंज करके देखता हूँ, नेम ऑफ स्टूडेंट, because that was automatically picking up name column as the x label, x axis heading. Now I am changing name of students. See, name of student is coming at the bottom. If I expand this chart, you can see name of student and marks as a y-axis label and this as x-axis label, and rest of the things are as it is. Here also plt.y label marks, then you can write plt.x label name of students, ax.set label set underscore y label marks, ax.set underscore x label name of student. You can specify if you are I mean storing or assigning these definitions, df.plot की जो सारी definition अगर आप किसी variable में ले लें तो उस variable के through भी there are certain parameters that can be changed. Otherwise this is the main thing, x-axis, y-axis, kind, title, grid, at the most rotation also, otherwise nothing is special. So uh, let us go to the video. So here you have to make one correction, in place of year you have to write name, here also in place of year, actually this was taken from the previous slide, so that is why it could not be changed. Year की जगह पर आप क्या कर लेंगे, name कर लेंगे, since we are representing names here in this dictionary. So here also name. So this is the output, this is the plot, and this is your graph. Here also year is coming, as soon as you change their name, यहाँ भी year आ रहा है, यहाँ पर आप name change कर देंगे, then it will automatically be correct. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.